welcome to episode 41 of LearnOrBurn.tech, where in 5 minutes or less we promise you will learn something useful to master your technology. Facebook's market cap is now at nearly $500 billion. Unfathomable, just about. This, though, is the market's endorsement of it being a persuasion architecture. Now, first, this podcast is inspired by this TED Talk, so I strongly recommend you watch or listen to it as well. Now, generally speaking, it is understood that details which we add to Facebook, we do consciously, and we are okay to share it. I do this with my own contributions that I like to offer. However, what we do not offer consciously is the other data points, which most people are unknowingly sharing with Facebook. For example, if you've ever logged onto Facebook through your browser and later on you visit other websites, say you're searching for snowboards, Facebook now has most of that history. That's what I have never explicitly authorized, and most people I speak to agree with me on that. So I'll offer you a way to use Facebook more privately, where it is not used as a persuasion architecture against you or the ones you love. Of course, you could go off the grid completely or never use Facebook, but let's say you want to use Facebook, but more privately. Here are the 3 steps that you can take. Number 1, choose a browser that you'll use only for Facebook and launch it in private browser mode so that it doesn't have any access to anything outside of the cookies for Facebook itself. Every platform has a few browsers to choose from, so pick one that you don't usually use and make that your Facebook browser. Second, don't bother with the Facebook Messenger on mobile. I'm not the only one who believes that Facebook Messenger is the most powerful piece of spyware on your mobile device. Instead, use Facebook Messenger within your private browser only. Third, block a special site or service called connect.facebook.net, which will prevent your computer from sending Facebook a beacon each time you visit a website that has a Facebook like button embedded. If this is too nerdy, check with your favorite IT person because it can be done at a router level or at a desktop level. And if you've heard me talk in the past about DNS Thingy, it happens to block that destination by default. Now with these 3 steps, you can safely search for a snowboard in Google, click on a bunch of snowboard websites, and you will not be getting snowboard-based ads in your Facebook feed thereafter. See you again next week.